Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. Today's tutorial is solely dedicated on how to make churros. Churros. I literally just checked how to pronounce this on Google. Churros, yeah, churros. So I will be showing you how to make churros and your hot chocolate dip sauce. Follow me through as this recipe is super simple. Like we all know, first and foremost, we need a pot, and then immediately add your water, your salt, your sugar, and your butter. So after adding all these ingredients, we will need to proceed to the stove. So your stove should be on a medium heat. Literally, we just need this butter to completely melt and the water to boil a bit. Well, as the butter is melting, the water will proceed to boil. So immediately the butter is completely melted, add your flour and proceed to mix this thoroughly. You need to completely mix this in until it's super smooth. As you can see here, it is super smooth, and then you are ready to put this off of your stove. So as you are mixing this, you need to reduce the flames. That's the heat. It should then be on a low. Immediately after putting this off the stove, you can proceed to add your egg, and again give this a very thorough mix. This is quite difficult, but well, this is what we go through for a delicious snack. Like we all know, no pain, no gain. Once this egg is completely combined with our dough, proceed to add your tip, which is your star tip, into your piping bag, and then add your dough into the piping bag also. This is quite hard to pipe also, guys, but we can do this. And as you can see, my piping tip came off numerous times, and initially I just had to change the tip into a smaller tip because the other one was quite difficult, and well, I found this easier and finer actually. This is the entire churros I have piped out, and the next thing you have to do is proceed to the stove again, adding your oil and let this oil heat up. Immediately you have your oil at the right temperature to fry, proceed to add your churros one after another into your oil. This would carefully fry until it is golden brown. Oh, brown. Golden brown. Okay, golden brown. So guys, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. And if you are already here, you have already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back again. I really do appreciate. And also, if you're enjoying this video, you don't have to wait till it's finished. You can click the thumbs up button to show how much you appreciate this. And as you can see, my churros is completely fried and it looks beautiful. It is golden brown and it's ooh la la. The next thing I did here is to sugarcoat my churros. This is just plain sugar, but for some they do add cinnamon into it, but I don't actually fancy that, so I didn't. And then you proceed to make your hot chocolate dip sauce. It's quite easy because I am not using heavy cream. I am just using normal milk. So I added butter. The recipe would be written down below in the description box, so do check that out. If you do not know how to make this chocolate dip sauce, which is also chocolate ganache, using just milk and not heavy cream, like I said, the recipe is written down below in the description box. And guys, this is the result. It looks beautiful, and trust me, it tastes delicious also. So please give this a try and comment down below in the comment section to tell me how it works out for you. And again, do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and I really do hope to see you next time. Bye.